Welcome back. Since functions are first-class objects in Python, just like variables or lists, they can be passed around. This means we can pass a function itself as an argument to another function. This capability is fundamental to writing highly flexible and abstract code. 1. Defining the helper functions. First, let's define two simple helper functions, add and subtract, that perform basic arithmetic. These are the functions we intend to pass as arguments later. 2. The higher-order function. Next, we define a higher-order function called do_calculation. This function takes three parameters, two numbers and a function itself, which we call operation. Inside this function, we simply execute the passed-in operation function, treating it like a normal callable object. Three, dynamic execution. Now, we call do_calculation. In the first call, we pass the add function and the calculation performs addition. Crucially, notice we pass the name of the function without parentheses. In the second call, we pass the subtract function and the same higher-order function performs subtraction. This makes the calculation dynamic and reusable. To summarize, passing functions as parameters is a fundamental pattern for creating abstract and flexible code. It enables you to write one generic function that can perform many different actions based on the specific function you feed it. Our next lecture 12.10. Returning functions. See you there.